two legal giants face off in 2025, Rocket Lawyer or LegalNature. Which one really delivers? On the left, Rocket Lawyer, your all-in-one legal help for businesses and individuals. And on the right, LegalNature, fast, affordable legal documents and compliance for entrepreneurs. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what really matters. Each category earns points, so by the end you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might actually surprise you. Alright, real quick, here's the map of what we're digging into today: price, services offered, user experience and ratings, and setup and speed. Each of these makes a massive difference depending on what you actually need. Let's dive in. Okay, first up, price. Rocket Lawyer gives you free LLC formation, but it's only for members. And the flat rate membership? Super appealing if you want predictability, but watch out, those extra fees can sneak in, and don't blame me if the auto-renew catches you by surprise after your free trial. Now LegalNature? Oh, and here's something cool, their formation package is completely free for the first year, plus lower annual registered agent fees and free mail forwarding, totally clutch for solo founders. The only catch? You might run into separate charges for each document, so budget ahead. Between the two, if you're pinching pennies, LegalNature takes this round. Now, services offered. Rocket Lawyer is honestly stacked. Unlimited customizable documents, straight-up attorney Q&A, business formation everywhere in the US, secure online signatures, and this clever thing called document defense where they actually help defend your contracts. Seriously cool, right? Downside? Nonprofits are out, and yeah, full access means you've gotta subscribe. LegalNature is more streamlined, they get documents done fast, cover all registration states, throw in free mail forwarding and locally scanned docs. But no bundled attorney help, and you do miss out on some of Rocket Lawyer's legal handholding. So if you want the full suite, Rocket Lawyer's got this one. Next, user experience and ratings. Rocket Lawyer's reviews are excellent, 4.7 on Trustpilot with nearly 7,000 reviews, plus people love their apps, both iOS and Android, like 4.9 and 4.8 out of 5, that's tough to beat. Document turnaround is fast, too, just watch for that partial trial access and the need to subscribe for support. LegalNature doesn't have dedicated apps, but their web setup experience is slick, 5 to 10 minutes and you're set, customer service actually responds and their reviews are still strong. 4.3 on Trustpilot, just below Rocket Lawyer. So if you want the easiest, best-rated experience, Rocket Lawyer wins again. Quick fact break: did you know Rocket Lawyer actually serves over 20 million customers, while LegalNature's helped more than 800,000 entrepreneurs? That's a lot of paperwork. And finally, setup and speed. Actually, both Rocket Lawyer and LegalNature get your docs sorted out wicked fast. Rocket Lawyer gets most papers done in a day or two, plus there's that guided walkthrough so you don't accidentally mess something up. Honestly, the occasional delay happens if they're super busy, but LegalNature, it's even faster for registered agent setup, like 5 to 10 minutes and you could be finished. Document creation is snappy for both. Though on speed it's really a tie. If you lined up scores for all these categories, you'd see Rocket Lawyer shines for top-notch service and reviews, while LegalNature makes your wallet way happier on price. Both are fast, so that's pretty even. So what's my take? If you need deeper legal support, access to attorneys, and contract protection, Rocket Lawyer's your friend. But if you're all about simple, speedy docs and keeping costs low, LegalNature is honestly the straightforward option. For the full-feature crowd, Rocket Lawyer edges out LegalNature here. Found this legal showdown helpful? Bookmark for your next business move.